Statistics shows that as of 2014, there are at least 150 million tons of plastic in the ocean, and this data will continually increase to 850 million by 2050. Ocean plastic pollution has become a global challenge which requires immediate action and solution, otherwise, we may gradually drown in these oceans made of plastic. Let's now talk about the causes. In most part of the world, plastic is dumped illegally, and when it is discarded in sewage, drains and rivers it finally ends up in oceans, and it is a type of land-based ocean plastic pollution. When it is being discarded during fishing and by recreational boaters in the ocean, it is a type of marine-based plastic pollution. Let's talk about effects. Plastic waste is either floating to suffocate marine animals, or consumed by them, endangering their lives, flowing along the food chain into human bodies, as well as forming several huge garbage patches.
Let's talk about previous solutions. The Ocean Cleanup is a non-profit organization developing advanced technologies to rid the oceans of plastic. The passive floating system works on the principle of capturing the plastic by concentrating it using the natural oceanic forces and sea anchor. The accumulated plastic is extracted when the system reaches capacity. The interceptor is the Ocean Cleanup's answer for river plastic waste. River waste flowing with the current is guided by the barrier towards the opening of the interceptor. The water flow path is optimized to pass through the system, carrying the plastic onto the conveyor belt. The shuttle automatically distributes the debris across 6 dumpsters. When the interceptor is almost full, it automatically sends a text message to the local operators, who then remove the barge, empty the dumpsters and return the barge back into the interceptor.
About the innovations. To collect the ocean plastic, we designed the Seabin raft system based on the Seabin, adding the auto control system and alarm. The system should raft offshore for frequently recycling, as the collecting bucket could be easily took off and replaced with empty ones. The Seabin raft could be structurally classified into 5 parts. While innovations are mostly reflected in the Seabin and alarm system, the Seabin is promoted by a second filter device to separate the water with microplastic, while the bigger size plastic will be held in the main collector. A program control system is integrated in the height controller, which could dynamically adjust the inner water surface by increasing or reducing the pump output. The underwater depth of the Seabins are affected by the amount of intake water, and whether the container is full. The alert programs are also integrated in the height controller, while detecting the garbage weight to pull it up. Thus, if over 75% bins are pulled up or the raft meets frequently huge tide waves, apart from any circuit faults, a warning message will be sent to the supervisor.